How to remove Gmail account from Android phone in 2 ways. In today's video, you'll find 2 ways to remove a Gmail account from your Android device. Stay tuned until the end of the video because the process won't take much time, and you will learn how to remove an account you no longer want on your phone. Let's start by opening the Gmail app. Click on the icon in the top right corner. There you will see all the accounts you are signed into. Under the accounts, you will see the option Manage Accounts on this device. Click on it. Then press on Google. Again, you will see the list of accounts you are signed into. To remove an account, click on the account you want to remove. It will open up the settings for that account. At the bottom of the screen, there is a Remove button. Click on it. A window will appear warning you that removing the account will delete all messages, contacts, and data associated with it. If you still want to remove the account, confirm by clicking on Remove. Now let's move on to the second way you can remove a Gmail account. Find and open the settings icon on your phone. Scroll down until you find Users and Accounts. Open it. Click on Google. This part is the same as in the first method. Select the account you want to remove. Click on Remove. Once again, choose Remove and your account will be deleted. Share your feedback with us and let us know what you would like to see on our channel. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the latest content.